Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, after thinking for a while, I thought of an idea. How about I made a game with artificial intelligence? So, I use ChatSonic, link in the description. ChatSonic is basically an alternative to ChatGPT with the same features. I won't go much into detail, but basically how it works is that you type in what you wanted to do and it gives you the result, and with this the possibilities are endless. So I already had a name and a brief idea of what I wanted the game to be like. So I proceeded by telling the AI what exactly I wanted it to do. I did forget to add the last step, which was adding AI opinions, but I will make sure to add it in a part 2 of this video if it blows up. So I did exactly what I had to do by creating a new project and choosing the 3D template, because obviously I was creating the game in 3D. To speed up the process, I added some assets from the Unity asset store and also Sketchfab, link in the description. So after creating the project, I went straight off to the asset store to see what type of assets I could get. So I began to play around with these assets to see what I could actually create to make a nice scene for the game. I began using a road asset, played around it to see how best I could fit it into the game's design. Later on, I added a skybox to give it a nice visual appearance. Then I got an asset for the race car and downloaded it and imported it into the game. Obviously, I had to create a script, and to do this, I went to ChatSonic and I asked it to generate a car controller script for the game. So after it did this, I was able to use the script to make the car work. So I copied and pasted the code into Visual Studio. While I was testing the car, I realized that there was sort of a problem, so I needed to change the controls in project settings. While later on, I was able to get a fix for it. So as I continued to make game, there was a need for me to optimize it as it was getting a very low frame rate. I watched videos on YouTube on how to properly optimize
the game so it actually runs in mobile devices. So what
the game. After optimizing the game, I decided to change the scene because it didn't really fit what I wanted to do, as I was creating a racing game, not an open world. After that, I needed to create a timer to start when the car moves through the green barrier, and I needed to make the timer end when it reaches the finish line. So yeah, I went to ChatSonic again and I created the script with it, copied and pasted it into Visual Studio. I saved it, then I attached it and followed the instructions. I did have a few challenges with it, but I was able to work around it. By the way, if you haven't joined my Discord server yet, please make sure to do so. And if you don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. So after a lot of tests, some errors still persisted, so I needed to fix this, and actually I had to re-optimize the game. So I did all I had to do to put down. I continued to adjust the car controls to suit the game even more, and with the camera, instead of using a script, since I had a few errors with the script, I decided to use Cinema Machine to make things much more easier. Yeah, so as I said earlier, I had a little bit of problems with the timer, so I needed to take it to ChatGPT for it to fix the error for me, but then it kept on making errors and I wasn't able to fix the problem. So then I needed to find my own way to fix the problem, to retest the game continuously to make sure it functioned as I wanted it to. Note that every single script in this game was created by the AI, and I just followed the instructions it gave me to put the game in play. I really think game development has been revolutionized, especially with advancements in artificial intelligence, because if I can do this now, then probably going to get better in the next few years to come. So I actually see a future in incorporating artificial intelligence into game development. No more struggles with mistakes in scripts that you have, because you wouldn't have to think about those anymore. And yet this is the final test for the game. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.